What is it like to fly business with Japan Airlines? Watch this as we bring you to fly business from Manila, Philippines to Narita, Japan. Let us explore what the Sakura Lounge has to offer. See what the business class features are. Eat our way as we fly in this 4-hour trip and fly back to Manila from Haneda. See a glimpse of the business class of Japan Airlines, its perks, and more. And by the end of the video, you can decide whether you'd like to try it or not. So, watch this. Our trip begins in Terminal 1 of the NAIA International Airport. There is a separate counter for business class passengers. There were no passengers ahead of us, so the bag drop process was a breeze. In business class, you are allowed up to 3 pieces of luggage at 32 kilos each. While waiting for our flight, let's head to the Sakura Lounge. As a business class passenger, just show your boarding pass to have lounge access. Here, you've got food, drinks, and lots of seating.
Good morning.
Good morning. What do you have?
We're having the famous gel curry.
Curry, pumpkin soup.
This is the recommended option
Okay.
because it's the only option. Good luck, pescatarians.
One of the best curries we've ever had. This is beef curry and it's really very good. They only have one main dish, but it is perfect, no?
It is time to board the aircraft. Passengers who need special assistance are allowed to pre-board. After pre-boarding, priority boarding comes next. For business class, we are under priority boarding group 2.
Finally flying Japan Airlines.
Yes! Hi. 2D.
We're boarding the Boeing 7878. This is JAL's business class Sky Suite. It is pretty spacious with a 2-to-2 seating configuration. With a seating capacity of 30, each seat has easy access to the aisles. For comfort, you have complimentary amenities like slippers, headphones, blanket, pillow, eye mask, and earplugs. Sit comfortably as there is a huge space where you can stretch your legs. There is an extra space for your luggage under the ottoman right across your seat. The seats each have a 23-inch personal screen, the largest in business class. It comes with an LCD touch panel entertainment controller. For connectivity, there's complimentary in-flight Wi-Fi for business class passengers. Each seat has USB ports, AV inputs, and laptop power ports. You can read that up in the manual. Each seat features a lie flat bed as if you are in a private room. These beds allow you to fully stretch your legs. It features airweave mattresses and pillows that provide comfort and relaxation. You can fully control the angle of your seat with this controller. Additionally, each seat has a stowable privacy partition, giving you ultimate privacy. In this menu, you will find the available drinks on board. There is a variety of drinks for you to choose from. For the meals, pick whether you want Japanese or international cuisine. Curious, we picked one of each so we can try both of what they have to offer.
What do you have there?
The washroom has a decent size with some amenities like the hand wash, there's mouthwash, there's also a toothbrush as well. If you are traveling with an infant, there's a diaper changing table too. This aircraft has a Japanese toilet with its unique features with the buttons that you can access on this side. Interestingly, there are light exercises that you can follow while you are seated in the aircraft. So you can stretch your neck and just stretch your arms as well, your back, and basically it's very easy to follow. After about 4 hours of flying, we are now near our destination. For business class passengers, there is priority disembarkation and baggage claim. This means that your baggage will come in first from the carousel, which makes it easier and faster for you to claim your belongings. This is a great perk when you have a connecting flight or if you simply want to finish fast. Japan Airlines business class stood out among the other business class experiences we've had with other airlines. At this point of the video, let's talk about our business class experience from Haneda, Japan to Manila, Philippines.
Since we're flying business, we have 3 pieces of 32 kilos each. So that's a total of 96 kilos per person. Jess and I have a total of 6 check-in luggage and then 1 each for hand carry.
Upon arriving at the check-in counter, there is still a separate counter for the priority passengers.
Table, you want? Kahit dito. Ay, or doon. Ganun na lang. The seating here. If you want to have your calls, you can do. And then there's a fax, or no, printer, a copy machine.
Like a Xerox machine. That's cool.
Printer, if you want to print some stuff. Lots of seats here.
This lounge in the Haneda airport has more drink options compared to the one in NAIA Terminal 1. So there are a lot of varieties for you to choose from, and then there are also juices, liquors. This lounge is actually in the 5th floor where there is a better view of the planes and the airport itself. By the way, this was around 12 midnight, so the lounge is about to close. That is why some of the equipment are already covered. However, there are still some food options available for the passengers to take. Here you have the salad options as well. Basically, this lounge has a lot of food options compared to NAIA. But the thing that kind of turns us off was that it was gonna close at a certain time.
And I have green tea, cold green tea. Let's go, let's eat.
Since the lounge at the 5th floor is already closing, we will be transferring to the lounge at the 4th floor.
This is the Sakura lounge on the 4th floor. Earlier we were at the 5th floor. So I guess they have the same food.
This lounge has more seating, and apparently it has other features that are not available with the lounge at the 5th floor. For instance, this lounge has a shower area or a shower room where you can pre-book. So this closes at 1:30 a.m. and it was almost around 1:20 when we arrived, so we could no longer use the shower at that time. While waiting for the flight, we used the massage chairs that were available in the lounge at the fourth floor. I believe there isn't a massage chair at the fifth floor, so this is one great perk when you use this lounge. Upon reaching the departure gate, there is a separate line for groups 1 and 2 of the priority passengers, so it is very easy to pass through these gates because all you need to do is to scan the boarding pass that you have and you're free to board your flight once it clears up.
Hi, Des. Say hi.
Hello.
You're going home?
I'm going to meet Shohei.
Oh.
Play baseball.
The same aircraft is used, which is the Boeing 7878, and it has the same seating configuration. Not much of a difference from the first flight that we took from Manila to Narita, Japan.
Welcome to my cubicle, my home
For the next 4 hours?
Give me.
Yay. We are wearing our cardigans because it's one of the ano ba yan, parang things that we can wear while in
Yeah.
flight.
It's gonna make for a more comfier sleep, I guess.
Comfier flight and sleep, of course. Good night.
After another 4 hours of flying, we have finally reached Manila. And the good part about being in business class is that again you will get your baggage fast because there is priority claiming of your baggage, and it makes it very fast to leave the airport because you can easily get your stuff in a few minutes. Overall, our business class experience with Japan Airlines has been great. We wouldn't mind experiencing it again next time. Now it is for you to decide whether it's something that you would like to try. This marks the end of this vlog. See you in the next one for our Cathay Pacific business class experience. Watch this.